She made her acting debut in Gaano Kadalas Ang Minsan. She plays the guitar, drums, piano, flute, lyre, violin, even the ukulele she plays, even the xylophone. And she even knows how to beatbox. Maybe later on we'll ask her for a sample. Are you ready? I don't think that's loud enough. Robinsons Manila, are you ready for our next guest? Music, please. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage Miss Julie Ann Sanderson.
Hello everyone! Wala ba tayo mga kalaysan? Okay! I wanna see those hands in the air, okay? Alright! Hey! Here we go! Yeah! You're listening now. Heard nothing but the wild. Saw going and touching the hot. I got more on the internet to take a shot. I see everybody but I'm better. And I'm head on fun, fully but I'm correct. I can't try, so what a mess. But I ain't okay. It's like a record of rain. And I look at my jacket. Can't slow down. So fast. I'm really gravity back. Talking about the nature. I want melody back. People want to watch us again on the Saturday. So right to the candle like happy black. But I have all the Saturday night. I used to be the kid that no one cared about. You just gotta keep screaming till the hear you up. Come on. I'm billion miles away. A message to the creator. See what's love. I will never change. And I'm on my way. Yeah, I need a push. We never took a push. Change. Yeah, I need the push. What's it? Even give a book, even a price. Even told the leaders of the world to be the strength. The money is the root to the evil is right. You ever been so hungry that you just do right? Hey, never hunger with people. Hey, it feels like I'm on top coming. Since the day I thought of that coming. I do the ladies play out when I understand. Try to change the thing to everyone's a kid that knows you just gotta keep screaming till I hear you. Come on! It's not a million miles away. But that's it to the day. See these colors go. I will never change. And I'm on my way. Everybody say hey! Say hey! Say ha! Ha! Say ha! Ha! Alright! Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Sige, bago ko simulan ang aking second song, gusto ko sana makarinig ng isang